This is like few days of rain here. Look at this. It's a big mess. So I need to really mow this grass and take care of all this. And it's the end of fall, summer, so maybe we should do it. I got all the onions here ready to be put away. I got these to put the tomatoes. This little decoration thing is over. So let's mow the grass first. I got the grass mowed. It looks well, but now I need to take care of all this part. Oh my gosh, that is a mess. First, I will take everything that is here. They are overdue. I think I can do a pesto sauce with that one. I don't know. But this has to go clean a little. And this is part of here. And I don't know if my carrot is ready, but we will see. Okay, let me clean this one. First bed, clean. I need to go to the next one. Oh, this is a big mess. And it's getting so hot, but I need to do it. And the cherry tomatoes are gone. Wow, look at that. And I still have a lot. But it's getting harder to get those ones. And I put an umbrella here. It's my turn to take care of this. And tomatoes are ready. So as you see, what I did is open a little and cut some of the leaves. With the days getting shorter and getting darker, tomatoes need more light, so you have to kind of open and let the light go in. I took a lot. I still have some that will be ready maybe tomorrow or in 2 days, but I have 3 that fell by accident, but I think we have a good quantity. Now I need to take this comfy leaf. This is a natural fertilizer. You cut the leaves, put in a bucket, fill with water, and leave for 3 weeks to marinate, if you want to say. And then you can use as a fertilizer. And don't worry, as soon as you cut these, more will be coming. I decided to plant the 3 pumpkins that I have. Maybe it's a little late, but I will put anyway. And since these will be going out, I want to find a recipe for pesto, and I'm planting another one here because maybe in 3 or 4 weeks these are gone too. So let's see. And I'm filling the bucket. This is what is left of the comfy. Well, that will be coming back, trust me. They will be ready for a winter fertilizer that I will use on winter too. I think it's a big difference now fixing this part of the backyard, and I need to do more tomorrow, but right now I'm really tired. I have to show you my plums. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I have so many. But I think I will take tomorrow. I took a few of them the other day. They are delicious. Yeah, tomorrow will be. Well, I use the tomatoes that I have for this. This is pickled tomato. I have a small one too. And this will be for marinara sauce. I have all my canning supplies here, so I have to do all this, but I think I will leave for another day. I'm tired from all the gardening and then doing this, so they're almost cold now, and I will relax for now. Okay. Wow. I better take care of them before they get bad. Just the half. And I have more of these, but not enough gel. Trying to get part of my jam working, but it's not thickening so much. Well, I hope slowly it thicken a little more. You see, it's still kind of dripping. So it's like a spread right now. We will let it keep cooking, go to boil. And the bottom is a little more. But okay, I just come and stir from time to time. And to make it easier, because I don't have more pectin or anything, I froze the other ones. Cut and wash and anything. I have 8 cups here and 2.5 in the other one. Hope it gets good. Okay, I need to do also the tomatoes. We'll take advantage of this water. And I have my tomatoes sauce or marinara here. It's the base of tomatoes for anything. I have this other one. I'm waiting for the boiling. Oh my god, I cannot talk right now. And oh my gosh, this is maybe 100-year-old pot that used to belong to my husband's grandmother. It's amazing. Or grandmother. Yeah, so it has more than 100 years old. And we are not going to change. It's a little bad, but you know what? Still working perfect. And this is how we are right now. We have 5 of the jams ready here. They were water bath. I have the other ones going, and I have these 2. My husband went to get more on this size because these are too big for the marinara sauce. And of course the ones that I did too, the tomatoes. So this mess will be gone in few. I still have a lot to do, but it will be gone.